the little girl that grew up being trained by the likes of Aretha Franklin, the likes of Miriam Makeba, the likes of Letambulu, finally got her chance to meet the people that trained her. Talk to me about meeting Mam Leta and Mam Miriam and how that was for you.
You know, the first time I met Sis Leta, I met her here. There was a show that was involving Mam Dorothy Masuka, all the icons.
Yes.
Mama Miriam, Sis Leta, Sis Abigail, you know. So they were doing a show here. So I was one of those that they wanted to be part of that show.
Yeah.
Doing backings for them.
Yeah.
But now when they were doing this show, then they just loved me. Sis Leta, what? I want the child. I want the child.
Wow.
I want the child. Then we put Kaifa, don't know what to music code. But I want the child. So I was so excited because I used to look at Sis Leta's albums with the afro, beautiful, the singing, all, you know, I loved all the song. I mean, we grew up with listening to Aboma Miriam or Sis Leta.
Yeah.
So it was such an excitement. Then the first time I went then to go and work with them as a backing singer.
Wow.
I traveled with them. We went to Switzerland for the first time. The first time when I left South Africa to go and perform out of my zone, out of my own country, was with Mam Leta and Kaifasi, and then there was Brayu involved, and it was North Sea Jazz Festival.
Wow.
In Montreux Jazz Festival.
So it was your first time outside of the country.
Outside of the country.
First time getting on a plane.
On a plane.
First time landing in a country.
In a country that is not mine. And meeting Quincy Jones for the
meeting
first time.
Quincy
and
Jones.
all those. And he was so excited when he was like, shoot the child when she's moving her feet. Shoot her. Move. She was busy shouting at the photographers. People were telling me. In fact, he came to me himself and told me. He said, I love your performance. I love the way you move. I love the way you sing. I love everything that you do.
Oh my goodness.
So Purkaifas said when we were coming back on the plane, he said to me, Sutugas, the job is yours.
Wow. Just like that,
Just
the job
like that.
was
then
yours.
I worked with them beautifully. We used to rehearse. You know, I learned how to carry myself the way they carry themselves.
Amen.
That's the most important, because I was not just working with them. I was also learning from them.
Yeah.
That's, you know, equipping, you know, empowering myself and getting all this beautiful skills that I can get out of them. You know how to carry yourself because I'm working with the people that I used to listen to music.
My goodness.
At school, when there is a break, we are seated in the class. We'll be like, boom, 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 boom. There's music in the air.
Oh man.
Ucule mina, ngicule eklasini. Uthisha might welcome ngasisithule. So it was like that. It was an excitement. I'm honored, in fact.
You are one of the lucky few musicians that can say you've worked with the best of the best, because sadly some of them are no longer physically around, you know, but you were able to interact with them and learn from them. And that's why you are so, that's why you're so iconic and you're so legendary, because of the fact that you were learning from that institution. So much so that the likes of Quincy Jones,
dignity, respect, and all those.
Yes, all of that. Those were the highs. And then music comes with lows. And those lows are very, very extreme. You talk to me about, you know, those moments where you were maybe thinking of quitting. You were thinking maybe this industry